Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the fiber specifics. Single mode versus multi-mode and the connector type dictate the hardware that will work. Once confirmed, power up the fiber to Ethernet media converter or plug in your USB-C SFP adapter and install any drivers the OS needs. Plug a short patch cable into the converter's RJ45 port and keep your laptop nearby. Make sure Wi-Fi is off so the laptop prefers the wired link. This prevents routing confusion as we move to link establishment. Now you feed the cleaned fiber connector into the converter's port, aligning the key and removing dust caps. Do not force it. Once the fiber clicks, plug the RJ45 into the converter and the other end into your laptop or USB Ethernet dongle. Power the converter and watch for SteadyLink LEDs. Then, open your laptop's network settings to confirm a physical connection. If DHCP is active, the laptop should request an address. Otherwise, prepare a matching static IP and subnet so traffic can flow. To finish, test the path by pinging the default gateway and a public IP to verify DNS and routing. Confirm link speed and duplex in the adapter properties and look for RX/TX errors. These metrics tell you whether the fiber alignment and optics match. If something fails, power cycle the converter, reseat the connectors, and swap the patch cable to isolate bad optics. As a key troubleshooting tip, mismatched single mode versus multi-mode fiber or a dirty connector is the most common cause. Clean and recheck before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.